have the drain on the base. Now comes time to set the base down. We did put a little bit of silicone, that's some leftover color match from a previous job. So put a little silicone there right by the edge, the transition from the additional wood onto the subfloor. And because the sheetrock's already installed, it's a little bit, it's gonna be a little tricky setting the base down in there, because the shower base is supposed to go very close to the studs, about an 1/8 inch gap between the wall flange and the stud wall. So the sheetrock will actually come over on top of or right above the wall flange. So we have to slip the shower base underneath the sheetrock, and then we'll gently lower it in place and then rest it on down. Typically the shower bases just go on the subfloor, and that's sufficient. You don't have to put them in a mud set or anything. I do like to at times put a little bit of silicone down, just takes up any unevenness in the floor. So I have just a little bit of silicone on the left hand side there too. So we'll go ahead and kind of work this base on down, and then you'll see as I lower the shower base, I'll stick my fingers through the drain and then help the drain pipe come up through the drain assembly. Okay, once the base is set, we went ahead and installed the sheetrock real fast. We're going to go ahead and put down the rubber gasket. The rubber gasket has a little bit of a angle shape. That's the reverse of the tightening nut, and so it'll the compression nut. So that'll help compress the rubber around the outside of the pipe. So it's a little tricky. You just got to get your fingers in there and move the pipe around and slip that gasket down on in little by little. And once it's all around the pipe, we'll just put the compression nut in and then tighten that down. And we'll use this little tightening tool, setting that inside, and then with a flathead screwdriver just twist it on tight.